Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Vintage Cottage interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage Cottage interior decor is a cozy decorating style that combines the charm of old-fashioned vintage pieces with the warmth and simplicity of cottage living. It creates a soft, welcoming home filled with character, comfort, and nostalgic beauty. Vintage Cottage interior decor is all about creating a peaceful home that feels lived in, charming, and full of warmth. Vintage Cottage interior decor focuses on comfort, simplicity, and timeless beauty. It creates a home that feels peaceful, nostalgic, and naturally welcoming. The style is inspired by old countryside cottages, antique treasures, handmade decorations, and soft romantic details. The feeling of Vintage Cottage style. This decorating style is designed to make a home feel warm and relaxing, lived in and comfortable, romantic and nostalgic, simple yet elegant, connected to nature and tradition. Unlike modern minimalist homes, Vintage Cottage interiors embrace softness, collected treasures, and personal charm. Common color palettes. Vintage cottage homes usually use gentle and faded colors that create a calm atmosphere. Popular shades include warm white, cream, shush green, dusty pink, soft blue, light gray, beige, and taupe. Next, furniture style. Furniture in vintage cottage decor often looks aged, rustic, or antique. Popular choices displays wooden cabinets, antique dressers, farmhouse dining table, floral upholstered chairs, wicker baskets and chairs, and iron bed frames. The furniture does not need to match perfectly. A collected and layered look makes the space feel more authentic. Decorative details. Small decorative touches are very important in this style. Common decorations include vintage mirrors, old books, lace curtains, crochet blankets, floral wallpaper, ceramic pictures, candlesticks, wooden picture frames, and charred flowers. Lighting in vintage cottage homes. Lighting is usually soft and warm instead of bright and modern. Popular lighting ideas: table lamps with fabric shades, candelights with vintage details. Use wall sconces, candelights, and lanterns. Use warm fairy lights. Soft lighting helps create a cozy countryside atmosphere. Flooring and textures. Vintage cottage interiors use natural textures to make rooms feel warm and inviting. Examples: wooden floors, layered rugs, linen curtains, cotton bedding, open baskets, rustic wooden shelves. Texture adds depth and comfort to the home. Modern vintage cottage style. Many people mix vintage cottage decor with modern comfort. This creates a cleaner version of the style while keeping the cozy charm. You can combine vintage furniture with modern lighting. Use neutral walls with antique decor. Use rustic wood with clean modern layouts. This keeps the home practical while still feeling charming and timeless. Vintage cottage interior decor is deeply connected to comfort, handmade beauty, and old-world charm. It celebrates imperfect details, treasured antiques, and cozy living spaces that feel personal and inviting. Why people love vintage cottage decor? Many people enjoy this style because it feels peaceful and relaxing, warm and welcoming, romantic and nostalgic, comfortable in a state of formal, full of personality and history. The goal is not perfection. A vintage cottage home should feel collected over time, with meaningful pieces and cozy layers. The importance of handmade elements. Handmade items are a big part of Vintage Cottage style because they add warmth and uniqueness. Popular handmade touches include crochet blankets, knitted pillow covers, embroidered tablecloths, handmade pottery, oven baskets, quilts, and lace decorations. These details help create a soft, lived-in atmosphere. Floral patterns and prints. Flowers are one of the most recognizable parts of Vintage Cottage interiors. You may see floral design on wallpaper, curtains, bedding, cushion, tea sets, and upholstered furniture. Soft floral prints bring a romantic countryside feeling into the home. Vintage Cottage kitchen style. A vintage cottage kitchen often feels charming and practical at the same time. Common features: open wooden shelves, ceramic dishes, and teacups. Farmhouse sinks, wooden countertops, glass jars for storage, hanging copper pans, fresh flowers on the table. The kitchen is usually designed to feel warm, welcoming, and family friendly. Bedroom atmosphere. Vintage Cottage bedrooms are soft, restful, and romantic. Popular bedroom ideas: iron or wooden beds, layered quilts and blankets, lace curtains, vintage bedside lamps, floral bedding, and antique mirrors. Many vintage cottage bedrooms use soft textures and calming colors to create a peaceful retreat. Decorating with antique finds. On a special part of the style is decorating with antique or thrifted items. Examples include old clocks, vintage frames, rustic trunks, distressed furniture, antique books, candle holders, and porcelain vases. These pieces give the home character and make it feel authentic instead of overly modern. Nature in Vintage Cottage decor. Nature is another important part of the style. People often decorate with fresh flowers, dried lavender, green plants, natural wood, stone textures, and wicker baskets. Natural elements help create a calm countryside atmosphere indoors. A small space vintage cottage ideas. This style also works beautifully in small homes or apartments. Helpful ideas use light colors to make rooms feel larger, add mirrors for brightness, use open shelves for storage and decoration. Choose multi-purpose vintage furniture. Use layered soft textiles for comfort. Even a small room can feel charming and cozy with vintage cottage touches. Vintage Cottage interior decor is inspired by old countryside homes where comfort, simplicity, and beauty come together naturally. The style often combines vintage treasures, rustic materials, faded colors, and soft textures to create a timeless and cozy atmosphere. Layers make the home feel cozy. One important part of vintage cottage style is layering. Instead of keeping rooms plain or empty, different textures and decorations are combined to create warmth. Examples of layering: quilts over bedding, rugs layered on wooden floors, multiple cushions on sofas, curtains with lace details, blankets stuffed over chairs. Layering helps the home feel soft, comfortable, and lived in. The beauty of aged and owned pieces. Vintage Cottage decor embraces furniture and accessories that show age and character. Popular often love distressed paint, ordered oud, antique finishes, faded fabrics, and rustic imperfections. Unlike modern glossy interiors, vintage cottage spaces feel relaxed and naturally imperfect. Geometric cottage details. Many vintage cottage interiors include geometric details that make rooms feel gentle and elegant. Popular romantic touches: floral wallpaper, ruffled pillows, lace table runners, soft candlelight, delicate candlelights, vintage perfume bottles, and decorative teacups. These details create a charming old-fashioned atmosphere. Mixing rustic and elegant elements, Vintage Cottage Decor often balances rustic features with delicate decorations. For example, a rustic wooden table with elegant china, old metal lanterns, besides soft floral fabrics, antique furniture paired with fresh flowers. This mixture keeps the home feeling both cozy and beautiful. Next, cottage decor on a budget. Vintage cottage style is often budget friendly because many decorations can come from thrift shops, flea markets, antique stores, handmade crafts, and family heirlooms. Simple older items can add more charm than expensive modern furniture. Creating a cozy cottage mood. The true heart of vintage cottage decor is the feeling it creates. A vintage cottage home should feel calm, inviting, comfortable, personal, warm, and nostalgic. It is less about flowing street decorating rules and more about creating a home filled with comfort, memories, and timeless charm. Vintage cottage interior decor is also about storytelling through design. Every room often contains meaningful objects, cozy textures, and collected treasures that make the home feel unique and personal, instead of perfectly styled. Creating a lived-in look, a vintage cottage home should feel naturally comfortable, not overly polished. Rooms often look softly layered and gently collected over time. Ways to create this feeling: display stacked old books, use mismatched vintage furniture, add open baskets for storage, keep cozy blankets visible, decorate shelves with small antiques. The goal is to make the home feel welcoming and full of character. Cozy reading corners. Many vintage cottage interiors include peaceful reading nooks. Popular ideas: a soft armchair near a window, warm table lamps, floral cushions, small wooden side tables, shelves filled with vintage books. These little corners help the home feel calm and relaxing. Open shelving and display decor. Open shelves are commonly used in vintage cottage homes because they allow beautiful everyday items to become part of the decor. Items often displayed: ceramic dishes, teacups, glass jars, vintage pictures, small plants, antique kitchen tools. Open shelving adds charm while keeping the space functional. Soft window treatments. Curtains and windows decorations are important in cottage interiors because they help create softness. Common choices: lace curtains, linen drapes, floral balances, light cotton fabrics. Natural light combined with soft fabrics creates a peaceful atmosphere. Vintage cottage dining area. Dining spaces in cottage homes are usually simple, warm, and family focused. Popular features: wooden farmhouse table, mixed dining chairs, floral centerpieces, candles or lanterns, vintage dishes, and table linens. Meals are meant to feel cozy and relaxed rather than formal. Cottage wall decor ideas. Walls in vintage cottage interiors are often decorated with charming and nostalgic items. Examples: antique clocks, botanical prints, framed family photos, window style, wooden shelves, floral artwork, and decorative plates. Wall decor helps add personality and warmth to the home. Cottage inspired interiors. Even small interiors can reflect vintage cottage charm. Simple ideas: wooden benches, wicker baskets, vintage hooks for coats, small jugs, fresh flowers by the entrance. An inviting interior helps the whole room feel cozy from the moment someone enters. The difference between cottage and farmhouse style. Vintage cottage decor and farmhouse decor are similar, but cottage style is usually softer and more romantic, more floral and decorative, more delicate and layered. Farmhouse style is often simpler and more rustic. more neutral and practical, focused on larger wooden elements. Many homes combine both styles together for a cozy rustic look. Vintage Cottage Decor stays popular because it focuses on comfort and emotional warmth instead of trends, soft colors, handmade items, antique treasures, and natural materials. Create a home that feels peaceful and inviting in every season. Vintage Cottage interior often feels like stepping into a peaceful countryside storybook home. The style combines comfort, nostalgia, and natural beauty to create rooms that feel warm, relaxing, and full of charm. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.